Welcome, and from me say Doro 8035, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into factory mode. So to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key at the top and choose power off. And once the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. So volume down, power. And once you see the Doro logo, you can let go. And from here, you are now in the factory mode. So you have access to all the components of the phone, as you can see, and you can test each one of them individually. As you can see, I already tapped on a couple of them. That's why there are the check marks. But basically how it does, you tap on it and it enables that function. So as you will see right now, it has the flashlight, and you basically have either fail or pass. So it's your decision right here, and it just allows you to check if the device is fully working by going over each component. Now, in certain cases, I'm not really sure what it's gonna do, but you can see there it is. So there we go. So as you can see, you can tap on each one of them and it just gives you a bunch of tests for it, which I guess are a little bit manual, not automatic. So for instance, like I went through the LCD, it just tests if all the pixels are okay, but it's up to you to spot if there are some like dead pixels or not. But yeah, that's basically how you would access this. And once you're ready, you can tap on reboot to leave this mode. So just tap here. It gives you a couple options apart from the reboot. So you have shutdown, we'll just turn off the device, or reboot to Android, like so. So once you select it, all you need to do is tap on OK, and the device will boot back up. And you can see the Doro and the Pokeball right now. So I just wait till it boots into the Android. And as you can see, now the process is finished and we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the factory mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.